Hello and welcome to Another Home. That's our new series where you can meet Barbadians and other West Indians who have settled right here in Germany, where we are right now.
Here in Germany, I discovered a talent that I didn't know that I had. I've been a professional musician for the past 2 decades, and now as an actor. One of my greatest highlights was at the very beginning when I first started acting.
My favorite team is Arminia Bielefeld, and when they are playing, you should see my temper, it flares up in the stadium. Everybody in the stadium knows I win, because I'm just about the only black woman you would find in that stadium.
In half time, I go to the old people's home, senior citizens' home, and I give what you call a group gymnastic. They sit in the chairs, and I just try to give them exercises with a ball, and they like it and they have fun. That will keep them happy.
It was my craft that has enabled me to put me where I am today. I have been teaching, I've been producing, and I've been choreographing in a number of venues throughout Germany. And it was through this art form that I was able to come in contact with many people.
Germany is a place where I feel there's history in the making. Sitting in my student dorm in Sheffield, I remember watching the Berlin Wall fall, and I thought to myself, why am I not there? I must get to Berlin. It took me 15 years, however, I got there, and I'm here now.
The Caribbean Song Contest. Ricky Stout came on stage, and yes, what to expect? Yeah. Well, we certainly didn't expect for you to win, Ricky.
A lot of people didn't. A lot of people didn't, you know, and speaking candidly of that time, I mean, a lot of people made fun of the song and made fun of me and made fun of the whole, you know, the whole hook of the song, My Island Woman. And needless to say, it wasn't really about me winning, it was about my country winning. That was a defining moment in my life as well, because I always wanted to do something for my country. And I got the opportunity to do this.
Well, whoever didn't know until that point that Ricky Stout could sing, well, you had proved the world that yes, he won the Caribbean Song Contest, but shortly after that tremendous success, Ricky Stout disappeared. There were a lot of rumors. Nobody really seemed to know where he was. Well, I found him. When we come back, he'll tell us what he has been doing during the last 10, 12 years since he left Barbados. We'll be back.
We bring the food to the house, or we close the doors and they have the party inside. You know, I always tell them, you can celebrate here your birthday, your wedding, and even your divorce. You can do it here. We take every occasion to make a party.
Yeah. You feel at home here now?
Well, I would say I'm fully at home here, but it's more like I have 2 homes. I feel at home here in Germany, and I feel at home back home in Antigua as well.